In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on vacation reply in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and head to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, click sign in at the top right and log into your account. Complete any verification prompts if asked. Once you're in, open Yahoo Mail by selecting the mail or envelope icon in the upper right corner. Inside Yahoo Mail, look toward the top right for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, scroll down and choose More Settings to open the full settings page. In the left-hand menu, select Vacation Response. This is where you'll turn on and configure your automatic replies. Click the option to turn on Vacation Response. Next, set the start and end dates by choosing the from and to dates. These dates control exactly when your auto-reply will be active. It's a good idea to set the end date for the day you're fully back and ready to respond, and remember that timing follows your account's time zone. Double-check the range so you don't end your auto-replies too early or leave them on longer than intended. Now compose your message in the box provided. Keep it clear, friendly, and concise. Let people know you're away, when you'll be back, and who they can contact for urgent matters if that's appropriate. Avoid including sensitive information. A helpful structure is to state your return date, set expectations for delayed responses, and provide a general alternative contact path if needed. You can also customize the message formatting so it looks polished and professional. If you want to tailor responses for different audiences, look for the option to send a different response to specific domains. A domain is the part of an email address after the @ symbol. This is useful if you want one message for coworkers using your organization's domain and a more general one for everyone else. Turn that option on, add the domain or domains you want to target, and write the alternative message. This won't affect senders outside those domains. When everything looks right, click Save. Your vacation reply will activate automatically for the dates you selected, and Yahoo will send your auto response to people who email you during that window. If your plans change, return to the same vacation response section to adjust the dates, edit the message, or turn it off. That's all there is to it. Quick to set up, easy to customize, and a great way to keep senders informed while you're away.